back at the years, the long paths we walked. Makashanda and Simba, you worked hard, never complained when we talked. Through the early mornings and the quiet late nights, you carried the burden just to make my world bright. Amai Vangu, my mother, you guided my way, turning the darkest of nights into day. Ndino tenda mama, I thank you mama, for the love that you gave, for the tears that you healed. Murizu varangu, you are my sun, shining through all I do. Rudorwenyu harupere, your love never ends. Thank you for raising me, my mother, my friend. My mother, my friend. The sacrifices you made, always placing me first. Makandirera Nerudo, you raised me with love, through the best and the worst. Even when times were heavy and the cupboards were bare, Ndikachema, when I cried, I knew you were always right there. You gave up your dreams so that mine could take flight, wrapping me up in your warmth every night. That you heal. Murizu varangu, you are my sun, shining through all I do. Rudorwenyu harupere, your love never ends. Thank you for raising me, my mother, my friend. Thank you, mother, for the strength in your hands. You are the solid rock on which my whole life stands. From the food on the table to the prayers that you said, you made sure my spirit and body were fed. Dinokudai, I love you more than words can express. Because of your heart, my life is truly blessed.